Hello everybody and welcome to another room tour. We are staying in the West Park Hotel, just next to like Duntocher Clydebank area. We are staying here for one night tonight, and I thought I'd do a really quick room tour. So this is just a little bit of information about the room itself, you know. So I'm going to pan around here. We've got the mirror here, with your luggage suitcase holder thing, which is quite nice. We've got one of those wardrobe things, you know, these sort of wardrobes, so if you open them up, we've got a wee heater in the wardrobe. Quite a big wardrobe space, you know what I mean, that's quite good. Quite just a nice big space, which is nice. This is our view. Look at this stunning view of people's houses, and just in the distance you can see things and stuff, which is really nice. If we pan round here, we've got a nice big double bed. Look how lovely that is. I love the wallpaper in here as well, it's just quite nice and simple. We've got a nice double bed here, which is lovely, with the nice lamps and the main light switches there. And as well, we've got that wee chest of drawers as well. Look at the wee plants. We've also got a nice window here. So that's quite a nice wee window as well. We've got the lights here with there. We've got a chair and a desk to sit in. The room has been cleaned, but you also get, which is a nice touch, some tea, coffee making facilities, which I quite like. And then we've got a nice GVC television up there. If we go in here, my partner's in here, we've got the walk-in shower, which looks absolutely lovely, don't it? Lovely walk-in shower with the toilet here with your main facilities, and then we've got a nice mirror here with your tea, towels, facilities as well. And then as you can see, my partner's washing his hands.
Aaron, hand wash.
And primary with a bin as well. So this is our room, guys. This room cost us £65 for one night. Comment below what you think of it. I think it's absolutely lovely, and it's the first time I've stayed in this hotel. It doesn't look as if it'll be the last, because it is lovely. A lovely looking hotel room, and it's nice for a one night treat. So that's the West Park Hotel, guys. You can find them online on booking.com, or you can find their website online. Any questions below, just leave them in the comments and I will answer what I can for you. Watch out for more room tours, and like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already, and share the live out and share my page out, guys, because it'd be great. Other than that, have a really nice day, enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you on another review. Bye for now.
Bye bye.